What's good, guys? Welcome back to a new vid. I'm in my room right now, chilling, and I did some things to satisfy my needs. So the other day I went on Stratified and I redid. I didn't really redo my tune. I just updated it, and now I am high torque. I'm on a high torque instead of low torque, so I'm about to put that in right now. And I also have to go put in a DogBone. If you guys don't know what that is, it's like a piece of little rubber thing that goes into the engine, so it stabilizes the engine more and makes your shifting and stuff better. So I'm gonna do that. But yeah, high torque now. Hopefully my clutch doesn't go, because you already know when you're on high torque, everyone says, "Oh, your clutch is in the job, man," and start slipping. So wish me luck. I'm in my garage right now, and so this is what a DogBone is. Basically, this is the DogBone insert, and it's just this piece of rubber, bro. Literally, that's it. But supposedly, this does wonders to the cars. Like, it makes your shifting better. It makes your exhaust sound better. Your engine doesn't freaking jerk so much, and all types of things. So basically, where that is this is right under the car, towards the driver's side. Yeah, towards the driver's side. So let me see if I can show you guys, exactly where it's at. Well, guys, found out I don't have the right socket for it, so I have to go to the store and get a socket, which is a 22mm socket. But I'm putting the tune on right now, so I can just drive it on the way there and see how it acts and stuff, you feel me? So hopefully my clutch doesn't slip. Alright guys, so we're back from the store. I got the car jacked up already, and let's see if I can show you guys exactly where it's at. Alright, so if you guys can see that right here, that's the DogBone, which they call it a DogBone because it looks like a dog bone. But then right there is where the insert goes. And so I have to get under there, take a bolt out. You see that one bolt? I have to take that out and then just put the other one right up in there. So basically this is the bolt that you're supposed to take out, and then after you can just put the DogBone insert in. But first, before you do that, make sure to grease this so it's going pretty smooth, because I heard it's kind of hard to get up in there. So we had a big issue where the bolt wouldn't. No. So we had a big issue where the bolt wouldn't align with the DogBone. Relax, my guy. So the bolt wouldn't align, so we had to look it up and stuff, and it was the dumbest thing ever. All you had to do was get a flathead and move the DogBone back so it could align with the mount. And then, bro, we were there for like a whole hour and a half trying to figure it out. And literally, you got a flathead, boop, 2 seconds, and I was there, and it was done. Put the screw in. Can't even talk, man's going ham right now. But literally the dumbest thing ever. Like, it was so simple. I didn't want to record it because I was honestly pissed off, because I think it was getting me mad. But that's basically it. I mean, it's not enough to this video. I was just putting that DogBone in. But do you feel vibration though? Because supposedly you're supposed to feel vibration and stuff. And my brother told me that the shifting feels way better. So when I'm gonna drive it later, I'm gonna see how it feels and stuff. But I mean, that's it. I hope you guys liked the vid, man. See you guys next time. Peace out.